Hello, my dear students and viewers. Welcome back to my channel, Scorpio Class. In this video, we are going to discuss the key answer for the model question paper 3 for the year 25-26 of mathematics. Yes, we are going to discuss the entire answer key for model question paper 3 of mathematics. Model question paper 1 and 2 along with the answers has already been uploaded in my channel, and the video link will be shared in the I button above, and the entire playlist will be shared at the end screen, so you can have a look at all those videos. Now, without any ado, let's start with model question paper 3's answer key. Here I'll be quickly showing you the answers, sharing the answers with you all so that you get the idea of how to answer in your exams and what are the questions, what are the different types of questions that are asked along with the marks allocation. So here I'll quickly scroll it, and you need to just pause the video and take the screenshot wherever required. So here we start with our multiple choice question. You can see there is one question and four options, and for the first one, option C is the right answer. Similarly, we'll move on to the next one, second question, and its answer is option C. So the main purpose is sharing the answers with you so you get the clear idea of how to answer it, and if you're practicing it, you will be thorough for your exam. You will be all ready for your board exams. Now, question 3, you have option C as the right answer. Then question 4, option B is the right answer. And then question 5, option B again is the right answer. Question 6, option B is the right answer. Then question 7, option C is the right answer. And then for question 8, option A is the right answer. So all these MCQs were 1-mark questions. Now we are moving to answer the following question, that is theory and solving and a little bit of calculation. Now these are also 1-mark questions. So question 9, from here we have 1-mark questions where you have to solve it. So you can see the answers, the solution is given step by step, and here the marks allocation for each step, like half and half for this step is given. This is overall 1 mark. Okay, so you get a clear idea how many steps to be done and how you can score well, how many steps is needed. So this is how you have to do. Then question 10, along with the answer, followed by question 11, and then question 12. I'll just quickly go through the entire model key answer. I'll scroll it, I'll share it with you. You can just pause the video wherever you require, as you require for a longer time. You can take a screenshot and you can go ahead with it. So this is question 14, then continued by question 15. Question 16, probability question. You can also focus and see the steps, how they have done and how the marks has been allocated for each step. Now with this, we finish our second win. Now from here, question 17, we start with our third win, 2 marks questions. So here also the marks allocations are given, steps are done. So you will require to watch and observe the steps, so you can pause the video then and there or take the screenshot and you can thoroughly go through this answer key. Next, question 18, again you have answer from here. Okay, geometry question, and then it's continued over here with the each step having half of mark here. Question 19, 20th question, arithmetic progression question. So these many steps has to be done. 21, factorization method. Next is question 22. Here you can see that you have option in this question. This is first and this is second. Anyone has to be done. Now this is the answer for the first question. And then followed by second answer from here. Then you have question 23. Answer is solved here. 24 again has two questions in it, or is given here. So this is the first answer and this is the second answer from here. Okay, we come to fourth main. From here you have 3 marks questions. So this is the question and here goes the answer with the marks allocation here. Then you have question 26. Prove that. So for proving 8 steps, you are having half of mark each over here. And that is how you get your 3 mark answer. Next is question 27. You have option questions here. 2 questions are given. Answer for the first one. And then answer for the second one is here. Then question 28 again has option in it. 2 questions, one is here and the second question is here. So answer for the first question starts from here. Marks allocation is given here. And the second answer is from here. Now 29th question. Answer for it. Thirtieth question. And the answer. 31st. Option is given either main question or the mode question. So answer for the first one, main is here. And then answer for the mode question, it's here. Then 32nd question, followed by its answer. Third question. Here you have 2 questions, evaluate or prove that. So first one is here and the second answer is given here. Okay, then you have fifth main. 4 mark question starts from here. Find the linear equation by graphical method. So again, answer is here. Table construction is also given. Marks allocation is also given. Explanation is also given here so that it gives you a clear idea what are the steps those are needed. And then we have 35th question. Again, we have option in it. 2 questions are here. So answer for the first question. And this is the answer for the second question. Long steps, many steps, but each step carries marks, so it's very important. Okay, so 36th question, again, 2 questions are there. Prove that and prove that. Okay, both are proof questions. So answer for the first question is here. And then the second starts from here. And the long step, but each step carries mark. Okay, then 37th question. And its answer starts from here. See how half of marks has been allotted for each of the steps. And now comes the last one, that is 5 mark question, question 38. So you will have an optional question here. Yes, from here it starts your second question. So this is the second question with the diagram. Now this is the answer for the first question of 38th question. See the steps carefully. And here we start with the second question's answer from here. So these are the steps. Each steps is important in calculation, and this is how the marks has been allocated. So here I have shared all the entire answer key for the model question paper 3. I hope this is going to help you to prepare for your exam, and you can pause the video wherever you require the sum to solve or for a longer time to understand, and you can thoroughly do the revision for your maths exams. And model question paper 1 and 2 has already been uploaded up in the channel. I'll be sharing the link in the I button above. And join my WhatsApp channel. The link is shared in the description box. Do comment in the comment section. How did you feel? Like, how much did this video help you in preparing for your exams? And share it with your friends. Do hit the like button and share and subscribe to the channel. We'll be back soon with more such videos. Till then, stay safe and take care. Thank you.